Good morning, guys. So, I wanted to share with you this great purchase I made on Amazon. I needed a room divider to separate my living room from my dining room, and this one worked out perfectly. It ends up having like 9 separated shelves in the front and 9 also in the back, and there's no assembly. Also, it's like natural wood, so it's DIY friendly if you want to stain it, paint it, or even add something into the panels between the shelves. I think that would look so great. I might even do it myself. But it's very sturdy, so if you want to put your plants, heavy vases, etc., I feel like it would work out. But overall, the pricing, the free delivery, guys, right now it's on sale for like 88 bucks. I think I paid 125 for it. And it puts up and comes down within 2 minutes. All you have to do is just stand it up, slide in the shelves, and presto. I really enjoy this divider, and I'm thinking about buying a second one for like the other portion of my dining room. If you have a small apartment like me, or even a place where you need like a privacy wall, this is the perfect purchase. I just think it's so cute. It adds that natural flair to my apartment, kind of like a little boho aesthetic. And I feel like it goes really well with mid-century modern as well. But as you can see, like my apartment's like just totally open, so I really needed this. All right, guys, that's it. I've linked it at the bottom. Ciao, and as always, much peace, prosperity, and love to you.